Yes, starting in Harrisburg, where we've got, well, obviously snow, a mix of mostly snow and sleet still coming down at this time. You can see it here covering the river. This is the bridge that takes you to City Island. It is continuing to come down, but it is mostly sleet across much of the area. So, of course, we're continuing to watch that little by little with every second that passes here. Of course, we are looking at a lot more across our area, like snowfall totals here. Coming in Halifax with about 8 inches, Red Lion, one of the big winners so far in York County at 9 inches. But take a look here at Lebanon, Manheim Township. You're at 11 and nearing 12 inches in Manheim Township and Lancaster County. Obviously, before the mixing got in, Chambersburg, a solid 9 inches for you. Many of you probably noticed, of course, and have been wondering, with temperatures in the teens, how on earth is it not all snow? Well, it's not just about the temperatures at the surface. It's always about up high in the atmosphere as well. If it's less than 32 degrees all throughout, you can bet that it's going to be all snow. But if you get a sliver in the upper levels of the atmosphere where it's just above 32 degrees and it's not snowing hard enough to keep it cold, well, yes, then sleet's going to get in, and that's why we're seeing that today. A lot of questions about that. Here is a look at our Lancaster County sky camera. You can see early in the morning when the snow started to come down, near whiteout conditions at times, before we started to see that sleet transition in a little closer to midday. And we're certainly still looking at plenty of sleet falling at this time across the entire area. Winter storm warnings remain in effect, and that's going to be through much of the night and into the first half of tomorrow morning. Now, as far as snowfall amounts go, since we've updated our map yesterday, still saying a solid 6 to 12 inches basically along and south of Interstate 81. Higher amounts, especially where you haven't got that mixing anywhere, up to 16 inches is still going to be possible with plenty of snow still to go in Mifflin and Juniata counties. But there is going to be more to it here. We are talking in the wake of this system, still some treacherous travel conditions through the morning. Blowing snow is going to be possible too, which could put snow back in the roads because this has been a light, fluffy snow, but also add to some brutally cold wind chills. You're going to have to dress, of course, for feels like numbers that are below zero, if not above zero across the area, with plenty more cold to go. And temperatures obviously on the cold side as well at this time. Temperatures are still in the teens with feels like numbers in the single digits. Some of these numbers will dip much lower though tonight.